members of Hong Kong. My name is Cindy Rabonhan, 37 years old, married to Lloyd Rabonhan, 37 years old. I have 5 babies, ages 19, 18, 11, 10, 8, from Purimao, Ilocos Norte. My mother is Terry Gonzalez. My father is Edmond Anglipay. I have 1 brother. I am a Catholic. I'm a college level. I work from Saudi Arabia for 6 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adult, 2 baby.
Why did you intend to work in Hong Kong?
To better future of my family.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
By doing household chores, cooking, cleaning, taking care of baby.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, but I will try.
How did you take good care of children and young baby?
I play with them, I give foods with them, and teach them.
Your message to your prospective employers.
To my future employers, thank you for choosing me as your first